Hello, welcome to my DIY. Now these things here, ball clip or whatever hell, they just work whack, whack, like that. Okay? So what we're going to do here is put them on. I'll show you a methodology I have used. Oh, this is, let's see. Now I'm putting it together like this, right? And I got a pencil here somewhere. Just put a little mark there, look, can't, so you know where the middle is, at least you know. So, okay. And then actually close the door, put it where you think, obviously it's going to work, okay, that's going to work. So just put the, come close, all I've done, have a look, put it in there. So this is what I've done here, okay, so there's no gap there. And then I'm going to put a pencil mark right in the middle where the drill hole will go. See here, I've done one little dot. What I've done is just put a dot like this right in the middle, open the doors, and then I'll put another dot on the other side. Bit hard to see. And then like this, like so. Have a look at the two dots there. Two dots, 1, 2, and that's where that'll go. And I'll drill the hole. Now I've got a 1 mil diameter drill bit. Chipboard here. This is not one. Done. Now I've got these screws here that came with the packet. Sometimes you have to use your own screws because they're just hopeless. These ones look alright. Now I don't need that on there. The easiest way, and now we're just going to simply, a matter of fact, and when you're using these drills, be careful you don't thread the down, tighten it too much, but you can do it slowly, but we'll finish it off with a screwdriver. That's pretty tight. Okay, next one. Whatever. You can use a bigger drill. Yeah. See, what's happened here is, this is the common mistake, I threaded it. I haven't drilled the hole long enough. Okay? So what I'm going to do is take that out and drill the hole a bit more. These are the mistakes that can happen to anybody, and they will happen. Especially when you're trying to do a video. Oh look, I went right through the top. Another mistake. But in this instant, I mean, who's going to look up there anyway? Mistakes happen. And that's life. But that won't matter. That's not major because no one's going to see it. And you can just fill it in anyway. At least I'll get my screw. The main thing here. Now, see what happens? I use the one that comes with the packet.
Is shit.
Now, I'll go over here and get my other ones.
One eternity later.
Bruh, look at this dude. Wait till you see the. No, 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 no.
See, what's happened here is I've used the one that's come with the... They're fine, but I didn't have a proper drill bit. I don't have the luxuries of all these items. Right? I've only got one size drill bit. Now if I these ones here that I bought are much better. They just fit into the drill bit. That's a quality drill bit, right? Screw bit. Look at it. Nothing wrong with it. It's just those stupid things they provide. It's crap. Now with this, watch it. Oh, so easy.
Rick, come on now, watch this.
Oh, yay!
Calling it.
Oh, so easy.
Easy peasy lemon squeezy.
Makes your life better, so I'd advise either just don't use these ones they come with. Or if you've got the proper bit, fine, whatever. Maybe or maybe not, but that's not the point. Now, you just put this on, about in the middle. Again, we'll close the door and put a mark on the hole. Right, as so. Just do one, the one you can reach, obviously, to make it easier, and then do that again there. And now this time we don't want to go through. We don't want to drill a hole right through because it'll be really bad. You can put a bit of tape to right. You only need like 4 mils. You don't even need to do much. It's just to get the screw started. Now I'm not going to use that. I'm not even going to use their crap screws because I hate the guts. I want to use good stuff. Just make sure this one don't go through. That's the problem. It might be too long. But as you can see, it's fine. Well, at least I know I'll have no problem drilling it. And just go real slow. Next one. I mean, I haven't got much patience using crappy crap screws. I like the quality. And oh, that's pretty good. Now I'll show you here what's happened. That's nice and secure. It joins up to the, watch what's happening. See, perfect. No problem. Now, as you can see, I prefer using magnet braces like this. Look, they're awesome. These are much stronger and better. See these ones? I did it earlier. Same principle though. You line the holes up, do the same thing. Obviously you can see the screws I'm using, but the same ones. And look, it's much stronger. Oh man, I can't. You have to put about 2 kilos of force, 3 kilos of force just to get that undone. Look, and you can use these ones here. They're not as strong, and they don't look as good. They look, you know what I mean. They're not as strong, but anyway, that's the magnet over this type here, which has been around for ages. The magnet's superior, much more superior. Look at that. But that's still good. That's all that. I didn't have no more magnet ones, so I got these. That'll fine, and that's how you do it. See you in my next video.